Stop scrolling, because the next 10 minutes could completely change how you work, how you earn, and how you live. Right now, top founders, CEOs, and entrepreneurs around the world are using AI to build companies making millions in revenue. And the crazy part? Most of them started exactly where you are right now, knowing nothing about AI. Here's the truth nobody tells you. 90% of people are still scared of AI, and because of that fear, a massive gap is growing every single day. On one side, people who are learning AI and shooting ahead. On the other side, people who don't even know where to begin. Which side do you want to be on? Here's the good news, and this is important. You do not need any coding skills. You do not need a tech background. All you need is 10 minutes and this video. I'm going to give you a zero-to-hero, beginner-friendly, 7-step roadmap to learn AI, the same roadmap that the top 1% are quietly using to 10x their productivity and growth. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you won't just understand AI, you'll be ready to use it like a pro. All right, step 1 is the easiest step, and also the most important one. Here it is. Every single thing you used to Google, ask AI instead, starting right now, this second. Pick up your phone, download any one AI app, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Copilot, any one. That's it. That's your first step. Want to know today's news? Ask AI. Need the meaning of a word? Ask AI. Planning a trip? Need hotel recommendations, a full itinerary? Ask AI. Want a recipe? AI's got you. And if you don't feel like typing, just use voice mode. Talk to it like you're talking to a friend. What used to take you 15 minutes of Googling, AI does it in 15 seconds, and the answer is 10 times better. Practice only this step for 1 full week. Just replace Google with AI. I promise you'll feel the difference from day 1. Step 2. Connect AI to your daily work tools. Now you're warmed up. Let's go a little deeper. You already use email, Google Calendar, Google Drive every single day, right? Now imagine connecting all of that to AI. Here's a real example. You wake up, 50 unread emails. Which ones matter? Which ones can wait? Which ones do you ignore? Instead of spending 30 minutes reading every email, open your AI chat and type, "Summarize my unread emails." Boom. AI scans your inbox and gives you a clean, clear summary in seconds. Then follow up with which emails are high priority. Just like that, you have a personal assistant, one that works like an executive assistant at a top Fortune 500 company, except it's free. Here's another power move. You want to read the latest marketing trends every Monday morning at 9 a.m. Normally, you'd visit 5 different websites, read 3 reports, takes forever. With AI, you schedule that task once. AI searches the internet, pulls the latest news, and delivers it straight to your inbox every Monday at 9 a.m. automatically. AI is literally working for you while you sleep. Try this seriously for just a few days. I'm confident you'll save 3 to 4 hours of manual work every single day. Step 3. Learn the secret to getting amazing AI results. Okay. This is the step that separates average AI users from power users. Here's the problem most beginners face. They paste their resume into AI and type, "Improve my resume," and AI gives back something generic, boring, something you could have written yourself. That's not AI's fault. That's a weak question getting a weak answer. The best AI users know how to ask AI the right way, and they use a simple framework called IOS. Let me break it down. I. Instruction. Tell AI exactly what you want. Example, rewrite my resume for a senior marketing manager role. O. Output format. Tell AI how you want the answer. Example, give it to me in bullet points with an ATS-friendly professional tone. S. Specific information. Give AI all the details it needs. Example, I have 3 years of experience in digital marketing. I've managed Instagram and Google Ads campaigns for a B2C brand. Now watch what happens. The resume AI creates, it'll be so polished, so professional, it'll look like a professional HR consultant spent hours on it. And you wrote that prompt in under 30 seconds. Use the iOS framework every single time you talk to AI. The difference in quality is night and day. Trust me on this one. Step 4. Do your office work 10x faster with AI. Now that you know how to prompt AI, let's put it to real work. Presentations. How long does it normally take you to make one? Research the topic, design the slides, format everything, easily a full day. With AI, under 1 hour. Use ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude with the iOS framework to write your content. Then paste it into an AI presentation tool like Gamma. One click, full presentation ready with beautiful design, animations, charts, and AI-generated visuals. Data analysis. Got a big Excel file to analyze? Don't spend hours manually applying formulas, pivot tables, and building charts. Just upload the file to AI, describe what you need, and it'll analyze the whole data set, create dashboards, charts, and even build a presentation from that data in seconds. Your boss will ask, how did you do this so fast? Research. Got 10 research reports, 3 website links, and a bunch of YouTube videos to go through? Normally, that would take hours. Try Google's Notebook LM. Upload everything, PDFs, Word docs, YouTube links, websites, all in one place. AI reads, analyzes, and gives you a full summary instantly. You can even ask it specific questions about all those sources, and it pulls the exact answers. Start using AI for one work task this week, just one. You'll never go back to doing it manually. Step 5. Unlock creative AI. Here's where things get really exciting. See those product photos that look like they were shot in a professional studio? Many of them weren't. Big brands are now creating entire product photo shoots using AI. No photographer, no studio, no editing, saving thousands in design budgets. But the most exciting part of creative AI is video generation. Used to be script it, shoot it, edit it. Full day gone. Now, write one prompt, AI generates the entire video. Product ads, brand promotions, social media reels, all possible with AI. And people are already building entire AI agencies doing exactly this, making locks every single month from these tools. So pick one creative AI tool this week. Try image generation or video creation. Just experiment. You'll be amazed what you can create. Step 6. Build apps and websites without coding. Now here's the step that makes people say, wait, is this actually real? Games, websites, apps, you can build them all with AI, and you don't need to know a single line of code. We're living in the era of no-code and low-code AI. Here's a simple example. Just tell AI in plain English, build me a personal expense tracker. And in seconds, AI builds you a complete working app with a clean dashboard, charts, calculators, everything. Done. You're not just coming up with ideas anymore. You're executing them by yourself with AI as your developer. Think of one simple tool or app you wish existed. Ask AI to build it. You'll be shocked how far it gets in just a few minutes. Step 7. AI agents. Let AI do the work for you. This is the final step, and it's the most powerful one. Up until now, you've been using AI as a tool. Now you become the architect. You give commands, AI agents execute. What do AI agents actually do? Let me give you real examples. Competitor analysis. An AI agent automatically researches your competitors' keywords, blog posts, and top-ranking content, delivers a ready report. No manual work. Lead generation. AI agents find leads from LinkedIn or websites and saves all the data to a Google Sheet or CRM while you're doing something else. Email management. AI agent reads new emails, categorizes them, highlights important ones, and even drafts automatic replies to simple emails. Weekly reports. AI pulls performance data, marketing analytics, and sales numbers and builds a complete, ready-to-use report for you. Large businesses are saving millions by automating their entire operations with AI agents, and now so can you. So look up one AI automation tool like Make, Zapier, or N8N. Start with one simple workflow. You'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Outro and call to action. So there you have it. 7 steps to go from AI beginner to AI power user. Step 1, replace Google with AI. Step 2, connect AI to your daily tools. Step 3, master the iOS prompt framework. Step 4, do your office work 10x faster with AI. Step 5, create images and videos with AI. Step 6, build apps without coding. Step 7, use AI agents to automate everything. You don't need to do all 7 steps today. Just start with step 1, replace Google with AI. That one shift will open up everything else. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new video, because we're just getting started.